This is the second floor of 1504 Brigadoon in Clearwater, Florida. This is the smaller bedroom, has its own closet, has its own bathroom with tub and shower. Again, the use of the new 32-inch ceramic tiles, which I think are quite beautiful. Nice touches throughout the house. And the way back here leads to the second bedroom suite, tub and shower as well. This is the master with a huge closet. And the master bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home located in Clearwater, Florida, right in the green belt of Clearwater, with bike trails. It has a clubhouse with its own pool, absolutely lovely pool, which is in another one of our sets of pictures. And for more information, we also mentioned it is available as a rent-to-own, or it is available as an owner finance. In both of the cases with creative financing, the initial deposit is large, but it is available additional ways in addition to the cash and conventional financing that is offered with most houses. There are other options, including those and an exchange. If you have other property, we would consider exchange of other property as well. For more information, contact George Beardsley, most flexible landlord seller on the planet. I have a real estate license, and if you deal with me directly, you pay no real estate commission. Call me at 727-251-5323 or visit me on the web at VIP Alert List or AdvancedRealtyTeam.com.